Hello guys, this is Roshan here, back with another video on Termex command line basic. If you haven't watched our previous video, then watch it first. This is continuation video of command line basic on Termex part 1. So please watch it first. Clear command is used to clear the screen. We can simply type clear and it will clear all the screen of the Termex app. Here is some text showing in the screen. We simply type clear and it clears all the screen. So that's all for clear command. Remove command is used to remove the files and directories in the Termex app. We can use rem command to remove the files in the Termex app. So let's try rem command. Navigate to the directory in which you want to delete files or folders. So here I am showing you first how to delete files. To delete files, I am creating a sample text file. To create a text file, simply type the command touch and the text file name. Suppose qwertyvacuity.txt. Now you can see we have two files here. To delete the files, simply type the command rm and the file name. Here I am typing xyz.txt. Pressing the enter key will remove the xyz.txt file. You can see we have successfully removed xyz.txt file. Now let's see how to remove the directory in the Termex app. Here you can see we have 3 directories present in our Termex app. Here let's first try the previous command to delete the folders or directory too. Let's see what happened. Simply type rem and the folder name rem abc. You can see we cannot delete abc because it is a directory. Now to delete directory or folder, type the command rem space hyphen r f and the name of the folder or directory, here abc, and simply press enter. Now you can see we have successfully removed abc directory. If you also want to see the details of what the command has done, simply type the command rm space hyphen rf and v. Here v means the verbose. It gives the output as what the command does as the output, and simply type the name of the folder, here xyz. Now you can see it shows the details of what the command has done. It has removed the directory xyz. cp command is used to copy the files and folders to the same location or to the different location. Here first we create the sample files and folder to copy the files in that directory. To create a file, type the command touch space and the name of the file, here abc.txt, and hit the enter. Now to create the directory or folder, type the command mkdir and the name of the folder, that is qwe. Now first I will show you that my qwe directory is empty. Now to go to qwe directory, type the command cd space qwe and here type the command ls. You can see my qwe directory is empty. Now to copy the files abc.txt to qwe, type the command cp space abc.txt and the name of the folder where you want to copy, here qwe, and hit the enter button. Next go to the qwe directory using the command cd qwe and type the command ls. Now you can see our file abc.txt has been successfully copied here. Typing the ls command here, you can see we have 2 folders and a file. Next we will copy the folder QWE to another name. For that, type the command cp space -r space the folder name which you want to copy, here QWE, and the new folder where you want to be copied, just like XYZ, and hit the enter button. Now typing alias, you can see we have a new folder called XYZ. Next, go to the folder XYZ using the command cd space XYZ and hit the enter button. Type ls here. You can see we have the same file abc.txt as present in the QWE folder. So our folder is copied successfully. mv command is used to move the files to different location. Here we are first moving the files. To move the file, we first create a sample file using the command struts and the name of the file. Here for simplicity I am taking aaa.txt. Here you can see we have aaa.txt file. Now we will move aaa.txt file to XYZ directory. To do so, type the command mv aaa.txt and the name of the folder, that is XYZ, and hit enter. Now you can see aaa.txt file has been moved from here. Now go to XYZ directory using command cd XYZ, and here you can see we have aaa.txt file. In the same way we can move directory too. We can also use mv command to rename file also. There is no rename command used in Termux app. We use the mv command to rename the file as well. Here we are renaming the file abc.txt. To do so, use the command mv space and the name of the file which you want to rename, abc.txt space and the new name. Here suppose gh.pdf, and hit the enter button. So now you can see we have successfully renamed the file and there is no abc.txt, and the new file gh.pdf has been created. Like the files, we can rename the folder or directory too. Here let's suppose we want to rename the file XYZ directory or folder. To do so, type the command mv space and the folder name which you want to be renamed, here XYZ space and the new name which you want to be renamed, here mnop. We can also see what the command does by simply typing -v and hit enter. You can see renamed XYZ into mnop. Now you can also check by typing alias. Now you can see there is no XYZ folder and the new folder mnop has been created. Exit command is used to exit the Termux app. We can simply type exit and hit the enter button to exit the Termux app. So that's all for today. Hope you like our video. If you enjoy the video, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.